How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So if you lost or deleted an important file from your Mac, you're probably a little bit desperate now, right? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna show you your best chance to recover a lost or deleted file from your Mac. And when I say file, I do mean pretty much any file type. So if you lost or deleted a photo, a video, a document, a music file. As a matter of fact, this method can identify and recover 400 plus file types. Of course, this is not 100% guarantee, but as I said, this is your best bet. Let's go ahead and let me show you how you can do this right now. Okay, so as you can imagine, we're gonna need a specialized software for this. And of course, we're gonna use Cleverfile's disk drill. I'm gonna have a dedicated link in the description, and you're gonna get you this exact same page. And of course, we're gonna be ready to download it. And the best part, for free. That's right, you can download this drill right now for free. As you're seeing right here, it's gonna start downloading, and in just a few seconds, you're gonna be ready to get started. And one of my favorite things about this drill is the fact that you can download it, install it, and actually scan for free. So you can check if the information, the data, the file, the photo, video, music that you actually want to recover is there, all for free. And then of course, you can decide if you want to actually upgrade to the Pro plan, but of course, I'm gonna show everything right now. Okay, so we can already close their website, and we can already go ahead and open up the DMG file. It's your typical Mac installation process, so just drag and drop here your disk drill to the applications folder, and then you're good to go. And of course, double click and install it. So double click, go ahead, open it up, and then in a few seconds, it's gonna be ready and installed on your Mac. And that's exactly what I've done. And right here, I have this drilled open and ready to begin. And what we wanna do is very simple. We're gonna click here on Storage Devices, and we're gonna click on our Mac SSD, so the hard drive of our Mac. And what we wanna do is search for lost data. As easy as that. Of course, this drill has many other features, as you can see here on your left, including erase data. So it's an amazing tool. You can actually recover deleted files and data from your iPhone. So this is cool as well. But of course, in this video, we're gonna focus on the Mac. So just click on your SSD, search for lost data, and then let this drill do its thing. This process is gonna take a few minutes. It's not gonna take a ton of time. It's not gonna take hours or anything like that. It's just gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes, and you should be good to go. So give it time. And so after a few minutes, we're done. Scan completed successfully. It found over 500,000 files, almost 400 gigabytes. And as you can see, all recovery methods complete. So the cool thing is, all of this is for free. You can go ahead and review your found items. Again, this is all free as well, and you can freely browse. So you can see everything here. For example, you can choose here the file type that you're actually looking for, whether it's a picture or a video, audio, document. As I mentioned before, take a look at the amount of data here. So as an example, we can click here on picture. Let's say you lost a photo, and you know it's a JPEG photo or an AGIC. If it's like an iPhone photo, for example, it's gonna update the list. And then of course you can go ahead, browse, take a look here at pictures, go to AGIC, and go ahead and just browse and take a look. And as you can see here, we could definitely identify, and this is good as well, if you can preview the file that you're actually looking to recover. That's a great sign, because it means it can be recovered. Okay, so the recovery chances are really high, as you can see right here. And this is important because depending on the file you're trying to recover, maybe it was already overwritten. And if that's the case, then the recovery process probably won't work. But of course, you see here the recovery chances, if it's high or not. And in this case, it is. And at this point is where you can definitely choose if you want to go ahead and upgrade, and of course, you'll be able to recover it. Since I do have an upgraded account, I can go ahead here, click on recover, as you can see, and then I'm go ahead and choose where to save. I'm gonna save to my hard drive, right? So to my own Mac. Let's go to next. And then as you can see, I've got here data recovery completed, one file, which just shows one file, right? And then show results in Finder. We can click on it. And then as you can see, it's going to come here to this drill. And that's it. That's the file. I can do whatever I want with it. It's back. And of course, I already have it back here on my Mac. And I can do whatever I want. I can go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it's perfect. That's the file that I wanted. Okay, so if that makes sense to you, if this software makes sense, and I bet it does since you're watching this video and you come straight all the way to the end, I do recommend that you come back here to the very first link in the description, come back to Clever Files, this drill, and of course, download it, install it, check for your lost or deleted files, and of course, if you found them, go ahead and upgrade to Pro, and of course, you can recover them right away, as you just saw. This is amazing. I love this tool, and of course, I had to share with you. If you enjoyed this video just like I did, make sure to hit the like button down below, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye-bye.